Welcome friend, how to create Facebook, YouTube logo and PowerPoint. In this video, I will show you how to create Facebook, YouTube logo. Right click on PowerPoint. I want to just delete from this page. Click on shape and that draw. Right click, edit text and write F. The size of 40. So again click on shape and that draw it. Click on that yellow icon, right click, edit text, like and share it. So the size of this, for example, 24. So right click again, edit point. So how to make this two icon to one group? Select it and come to format, click on group. So now you can move. Now I want to make for YouTube. Again click on shape. Here is right click, edit text and come to symbol. Here is that symbol I want. Insert, close it. So make a size for 24 and the shift color red, outline is red. So again click on shift. You can bring shift for here and you can from insert menu. Right click, here is draw. So click on yellow icon, right click, edit text, YouTube, for example my YouTube channel name. So make bigger font and change the color of shape, for example that one. The outline is also right, and right click, edit points. In the same way you can make for Twitter, Gmail. This is so easy way. I want for my Twitter, copy that one, Control D from keyboard and drag it, draw this one and right click for edit. Change the color of this. So select it and come to format. So this is so easy way to make Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter logo. Sorry, I want to write here edit text Twitter. Now how to we can make group this two? So select it and press from keyboard Ctrl G. Here is, and this one is also press Ctrl G. Now how to save this, to save as a picture? Right click here, right click and save as a picture. Select a place here, desktop, Facebook logo, save it, and this one is also save as a picture. For example, YouTube, and this one for Twitter. Right click, save as a picture. Twitter. Now let's see. Here is this one for Twitter, Facebook. So thanks for watching, friend, and this way we can make Twitter, Facebook logo. If you really like, please subscribe, like, share and comment.